Being Kind is Cool. Written by Liza Santos. Illustrated by Duda. And read for you by Kristen Rills. Kindness is a passport that opens doors and fashions friends. It softens hearts and molds relationships that can last a lifetime. Joseph B. Werlin. Dedications. To my son, Michael Blade. This book is about being happy for others. Sometimes in life, we don't always get what we want, but we can still be happy for others. Remember that life is not always going to dish up what you want. Sometimes it will give you the opposite. Learn to accept this. It's kind to be cool, and it's cool to be kind. Our smiles create happiness to find. Kindness can be as bright as morning sunshine. It's as breezy as the winds blowing through forest pine. Being kind fills up the heart and the mind. Jumps of joy and laughter come to combine. Since good people are sometimes hard to find, does my being kind make me a gold mine? Mommy and Daddy say kindness starts with me. I can be kind even to a bully. That's when being kind is cool, so that all can see kindness is what can set us all free. We can be kind when others are not. Even if it's tough, kindness is worth a shot. If you can practice it daily, others will follow. Being kind ensures hearts don't feel hollow. Kindness starts with our families and each other, with our parents, sisters, and each little brother. Even when we are sharing a favorite snack or treat, being kind to each other makes the world sweet. Love and kindness are two things that go hand in hand. When it comes to being kind, we must take a stand. We all have some good days and a few that are bad. Being kind helps us feel better when we're mad or sad. Kindness also comes when we help others in need. It makes it easier for us all to succeed. Like the time when Mommy asked for help putting groceries away. She told me that my kindness would go a long way. I helped to put the cans up on the shelves. The groceries cannot unpack themselves. All of the bags were then stored away. We work faster when kindness is headed our way. It felt good when Mommy told me I'd done a good job. I even found a spot for the extra corn cob. She gave me a tight hug and then a big kiss. Kindness is a feeling that I don't want to miss. My sister doesn't always like to go out of the house. I sometimes wonder why she hides, just like a mouse. She stays inside her room now for the whole day. We used to go to the park so that we all could play. Her friends sometimes tease her about her shirt. They laugh about the colors of her skirt. Their lack of kindness has created some doubt. Now my sister just stays in her room without coming out. When someone was kind and told her she was the best, she wanted to start playing again without any rest. That's why it is up to us to love and care. We show that kindness can be something to share. That's right. Kindness can be the coolest superpower. That's because you can practice it each minute and hour. If you think being kind is cool, let it come over your way. You can bring some more light, even on a rainy day. Each act of kindness delivers more light. You make the world better, both day and night. A smile is the perfect thing for us all to find, because it's kind to be cool, and it's cool to be kind. We hope you enjoyed Being Kind is Cool. Written by Liza Santos, illustrated by Duda, and read for you by Kristen Rills. The music was provided by Ben Sound. We hope you'll share this story with all your family and friends. And for more updates from the author, check out her Instagram, Momo's Voyage, MOMOSVOYAGE, and her website, MonaLizaSantos.com. Mona, MONA, Liza, LIZA, Santos, SANTOS.com. Please like and subscribe to this video to get more updates on children's books by Liza Santos. Stay true to yourselves and focused on your dreams. Have an amazing day.